Yes. Happiness Amadi. From River State. 48. 48.
Madam, why did you arrest you? What of you?
They arrest me because I buy a child.
You're from Jos, Plateau State.
That what happened? Tell us.
So, as I no get a child, I no get baby. So this man said a child for me. So I buy the child 1.4. So I paid 800,000. So 800,000. So on Friday, they give me the child. This woman give me the child. I asked a question before they bring the child. Say, this child and I want deliver to me. They say the baby of the child want deliver the child. First we go feel handle them because nothing for them. Say no food, no house. Say they get one learn work. I asked a question whether the mother of the woman, whether in that way that the agreement, then said yes. I said okay. If like that, I need the passport of the girl, I need the address, I need the local government, and then bring everything to me. I said, if not genuine, no problem. They say it's genuine. I said, I don't want to enter trouble. There's no wahala. Say the mother of the guy, say then they are aware. So now what to make? As Saturday morning, I heard a call that the guy says she don't want again. Immediately, I returned the baby. I no waste time. I buy the baby. I no waste time. As I go on the way, I call this woman call me. I said, okay, come to prepare, come and pick the baby so that will give me my money back. And this one met me there. I know, say police, full on. I said, then arrest me. Just like that.
Your name again?
Happiness, somebody.
The child, is it female or male?
No, man child.
So you're saying you not
I no get single one.
Wait, madam, at your age.
48.
At your age now. You know you want to talk about adopting a child, you know?
Yes.
Now, don't you know the genuine way of doing it? Must you go through that phase?
I don't know now. I beg me, don't kill me. I beg, please. Help me.
I'm Chinyere.
Your name loud.
Chinyere. Keneka.
Where are you from?
I'm from Obima.
How old are you?
I'm 52.
Madam, you hear what this woman said?
Yes.
She said you are the one that got the child.
Yes.
Oh yeah.
How do you get the child?
This man called me. He's living in our side there. He has been my late husband's boy. So he called me and was telling me that because he's staying with the girl and the mother, they do stay together. So he called me and said I should look for somebody that can take good care of this a baby. That the girl and the mother, they said things are too hard for them. Nowhere to stay, nothing is coming out. And the girl did not finish her school. The person that pregnanted her denied her. So I should look for somebody that will take the child as her own, not the person that will use the child, that will take it as her own. I said, okay, this is my friend. I said, well, let me ask her if she will need. So I called her. I said, see what I had do. Are you interested? She said, yes. If she see a genuine one that she will get, I said, okay, I will ask them. So I called the man. I say, is it in agreement? Because as I'm here, I don't have a husband. I'm the only thing my children have. I don't want anything that will put me into trouble. If you have agreed with them, make sure you give her everything to protect her. He said, yes, there is an agreement. So he called the woman. She said they should get her all these items she mentioned. So they get all those things and give to her. So they bring those things. She said, okay, I should bring the baby for her so that she will give me the money, that she cannot hold the money. I asked the man, he said they should give me 1.4. That's 1.4. That is what they agreed. So I told her, I said, that is what he said. He gave me 800 I should give to him. that later he will pay the balance. I said, okay. So I called the man, I say, see what she gave to me. Oh. He said, okay, I should bring it and give to, that he will come and pick it when I come back. So when I came back, it was later because I went to market. When I came back, it was late. So I called him, I'm just coming. How do you get it? He said he will come and pick it in the morning. I said, okay. So unfortunately, in the morning, I was surprised. The son came, told me that the dad said I should return that money back to the woman. I should call her to bring back the baby and take her money. That the girl said she's no longer interested. So I was surprised. I called her immediately because she's my friend. She said, eh. I said, yes. She now returned the baby. She said, I should be coming. So I went. As I'm on my way out to go and pick the baby, I saw him with the police. So they said, where is the baby? I said, let them come. So I went with them. They collected the baby and then arrested us. That was all. I'm not doing child traffic.
Wait, Charlie, wait. Oh yeah, what's your name?
My name is Favor Yusuf,
Favor Yusuf. Where are you from?
Plateau State.
How old are you?
I'm 30.
30 years old. Favor, you know this person?
Yes.
He attempts to murder the woman. He took her to the forest.
We do one chance work together
One chance. When did you start doing this one chance?
Woman self is still
for the past 5 months.
Why?
So I was looking for a work, so I thought the place I used to go and buy something, that was where I met them. So I never knew what they used to work. So it was one of them, a guy, that asked me what I was doing for a living. I told him I was looking for a job. So he said he's going to give me a job. I said, no problem. So when he took me there, he said his boss man wants to see me. So he asked me to follow him that day. I went with him. That day.
So basically, forget the long story.
Okay.
You guys do this thing together. When did they arrest you?
I worked with them that time. I didn't work with them that quite long. I later stopped.
When did they arrest you?
That was on Wednesday. And that was the day I followed them again because when I worked with them, I didn't work with them that long. I later stopped.
Now that police have arrested you, how do you feel now?
I'm feeling bad. Bad.
Okay. Say that your name again, Oga.
Polycarp Uzoma.
Polycarp what?
Uzoma.
Uzoma. How old are you, sir?
48.
48. From where?
From Imo State.
What part of Imo State?
Agua.
Eh?
Agua.
Agua. Which local government?
Uguta.
Uguta, okay. Why
are you here? Why are you here? I'm living to Ubima. At Ubima.
Why are you here? Why? You've heard what these women said about you. They say, this one say, this one give application. This one say, now you. Plus the police say you stabbed somebody, left the person for dead, and they eventually got the person. So,
no.
What do you have to say for yourself on that?
The mother of the queen is my woman friend, which we agreed to marry each other. This is making 8 years. Making 8 years when my wife died. So I will stay with that mother queen. So later, when they give queen Bele, so those people will give queen Bele, they reject queen, say they no go marry queen, say their son is too small to marry. So the queen go there again. They them give them injury. So now the Ospark people come carry queen, go that place, where they give them belly. So okay, as soon as I give them belly, deny. Queen see many people, no point to anybody, say I didn't give them belly. So hence, queen talk say when I give them belly, when I go hold them till they inbound. When I know say on a hand don't come out. So if queen sometimes queen go that place, queen go for.
Queen go that bush now 1 year.
What him make be say as a queen come now, is making 3 weeks. Come see me. So what him do there be say as a queen come tell me say you won't learn work and in school you no finish am. The baby as him born the baby now, those people will give am belly, them carry the baby. Same queen making no near there again, say they no want am. So now queen say the time where they tell and say make him come out. If he say come out, now where they go come begin the drag the chicken. Instead of like that, go say the pikin. Yeah, make. So as him come meet me, say if like that, say him go sell am. Say if them carry am, say they go seize am. Yeah, make. I say okay. Yes, he won't learn work. Never finish this thing. How we go do am? If she tell me say we go person we go sell am, we go sell am. Now make I see this my oga wife. I been dey tell her machine business. If you see person wey no get pikin, no be all those people. If you know person wey no go pikin, let me know. So you come tell me, carry the number, come. I tell them say okay. The girl don't agree. You come tell me say where be the passport. I tell Queen you get passport. Queen he say no. Say no get passport. Now I give her money. Go say passport. I give her. Me and she follow. Reach the place what they call Usuaha. You go show me the place where you go learn work, fashion and design. Go to all those. As him, I waiting make I carry Queen go that place. Be say I'm a one tapper at the tap me. So on Friday, Saturday, where I drink the course, then people go up, go collect the drink. So the thing happen be say as him we go carry the pikin, go with this woman. The money never reach me. So I don't know whether all in mind be say maybe the money no go reach am. We begin holla. And the time we begin holla, no be say time there. There is no time. Time is against. We begin holla. I tell her say, why you no tell me time?
What time?
8-9. 8-9. So.
Wait, is it 8-9 in the morning or the evening?
Evening. 8-9.
So now you cannot go inside the bush.
Near make. So I beg him. I say, what you make? You know, tell me time. If you tell me time, I for tell this woman, say make her return the baby. Near make. So as I beg him now, when follow me, they push me. Say we need the pikin. I tell her say okay, cool down, wait. I will follow him. Go follow me. Go check the place. What did they tap my apartment? We stay there. We no see anybody. We come the water and we run.
Give Queen cut for her belly.
Now the thing be say, as him
go straight to that point.
No.
You're just deviating. Just
No.
go straight to the point. Who gave her that wound?
that wound be say, as him revise, I tell him say okay, revise. We carry the bicycle. No bicycle, a bicycle. So we come push. Me and him come fall. I say we the drag others. So me and him fall. If you see this here, the tire for the bicycle come hit me here. One self fall. Now make this advice. I carry the stick with there. I begin flogger. Now be the thing.
You carry the stick. What did you got for the belly? Or what if?
Now that pedal bicycle.
Now you use wound her for belly.
As him fall.
What if fall am? What if for Queen?
As him, two of us. I carry the bicycle. I'm the hell. I say make I give him picking. I say cool down. If say tell me in time, I for tell these people making them bring the picking. Near come push me. Near come fall. And near come carry that stick.
This man, come and shout. People tell you one chance person.
Madam, tell us your name and where you come from and how old you are.
My name is Chinagorom. Chinagorom Eze. I'm from 35 years old. I'm from Enugu.
What part of Enugu?
Enugu is okay.
Okay, madam, they said they arrest you for one chance.
Yes.
And they said that car there.
Yes.
And the one that they use.
Yes, sir.
What happened?
What happened? Now one chance what would they do? So they did 3 for back for the motor. Then 2 people for front. Inside that 2 people were there for front. Now one person will they look for front. So if they move, they find the driver no there. So the driver and the person were there for front. They find one person who go enter our motor. So if the person enter, we deceive them. Tell them say the door no lock well. As we deceive and say the door no lock well. So we go open door. If you want lock door, the person were there for front. Go they shout my hand, my hand. So my hand, my hand. If he shout my hand, go they deceive them. You start collect waiting go. Either phone or money where you go collect them. So tell us say this place no go enter too often again. Say make him come down, go enter back. If he come down, won't go enter back. the driver will move motor. Na so they do am.
Who get that gun wey be there that time?
I don't know. We know they use knife. We know they use gun. We know they even use scissors. Even pin. We know they use. So I don't know how gun take come out.
Madam, they don't arrest you before?
Yes, sir.
Where they arrest you?
Fasaba.
How many? When they arrested you, did you go to prison? What happened?
No, I go, but I stay 5 months. Then discharge me.
What?
5 months
Inside where?
for prison.
So why did you go back to it again after you came back? You changed location. Why you dey do this kind of work? Like why you dey do this kind of thing?
It's not that I'm purposely they do a condition.
What kind of condition?
The place where they say market, they demolish the place, so no money to use work another place and no money to use start another one. So I start to do it to raise money to start another one.